Story of Devi Kushmanda. This story dates back to the Kalpanta. Kalpanta means the end of a Kalpa. One Kalpa means Brahma's one day. Brahma's one day is equal to 8.64 billion years. Brahmas have 36,000 kalpas. End of this kalpas called as Kalpanta. When the cosmos was nothing more than an infinite dark nothingness. Within that endless Kalpanta, a sublime light emerged slowly. Gradually, the source of this light crystallized into a magnificent female form, that of the Divine Mother Ma Kushmanda born. Galaxies, planets, plants, animals, insects, humans, everything began coming to life. It was Adi Parashakti, the primordial Shakti, who took the form of Ma Kushmanda to reinitiate life in the cosmos area. The word Kushmanda is made up of three words: Ku meaning little, Ushma meaning warmth, and Anda meaning egg. She is the mother who bore the little great cosmic egg of all the creations. She is the source of all energy, all light, all warmth sensation, and even all life. Later, she created all of the universe and settled her Shakti in the Surya Mandala, powering the sun to provide light and warmth sensation to the universe. As the source of light, Ma Kushmanda is said to direct the sun god, Lord Surya. She lives in the sun's core and it her luminosity which brightens the sun. After creating the universe, Devi Kushmanda is said to have created other powerful deities from her smile alone. She created the first three Mahashaktis, Mahakali. From the left eye of Devi Kushmanda, a terrifying lady with a pitch black complexion emerged. She had 10 faces, 10 arms, 10 feet, and other unique features. She was armed with various weapons and had a fiery appearance. Devi Kushmanda named her Mahakali. From the third eye of Devi Kushmanda, a fiery lady with a molten lava like complexion appeared. She had 18 arms and wore saffron clothes. She was armed with different weapons and had a warrior appearance. Devi Kushmanda named her Mahalakshmi. She is the owner of wealth, richness, and finance. From the right eye of Devi Kushmanda, a gentle lady with a milky white complexion was created. She had 8 arms and a serene smile. She was adorned with milky white clothes and jewelries. Devi Kushmanda named her Mahasaraswati. She is the owner of knowledge, wisdom, and intellectual. The fourth form of Navadurga is Devi Kushmanda, the one who gives birth to the entire multiverse, Brahmanda, from her loving smile. She presides over the heart center. She is the owner of Anahata Chakra, and in Panchabhuta, she is the owner of Vayu Tattva. The tantric invocation of Ma Kushmanda, it is invoked as a Kapalika as per many tantric texts including the Durga Tantra and Vamakeshwara Tantra. The Bija mantra of Devi Kushmanda, Om Devi Kushmandaye Namaha. Bija mantra of Kapalika Devi, Om Jayanti ಮಂಗಲ, ಕಾಳಿ, ಭದ್ರಕಾಳಿ, ಕಪಾಲಿನಿ, ದುರ್ಗಾ, ಕ್ಷಮಾ ಶಿವಧಾತ್ರಿ, ಸ್ವಾಹ, ಸ್ವಾಧಾ, ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ. You have to chant 108 times.